Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discuss part 30 property management service in Laravel 10. This my official website is www.errorsolutioncode.com. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Already 29 video is already upload this property management service on this official website. Let's start this video. First of all, my jump server already started Apache and MySQL. This already run localhost PSP my admin. This database name is a property. This database name is a property and this project is a localhost property, and this project is already open this jump folder inside this htdoc folder this property, and this project is already open this my Sublime text editor. Let's click this user table admin@gmail.com, paste here and password is a 123456 and login. Click successfully login. Let's click this user list. Inside this not show previous video 29 and this add in database and submit, and this database in submit and this previous video please check. Let's inside this user list is a show. And first of all, this URL is a copy. This URL copy and route web.php open. Inside this find this URL. Successfully URL this find this available user controller. Copy this user controller. Let's open this user controller. This controller is available. Inside this function is available user list. This function is a user list. This available. Let's check this echo this error EE and die. Let's save file and refresh this page. Successfully inside this stop. This page is stop good working. Let's remove this file is open this list file. Resource view admin user inside this list file. Successfully open this file. First of all, ID, last name, first name, last name, email, mobile number, profile and action. This is all available. This name available. Let's step by step. This name is a sense. First of all this name is a name. Show this name. Let's click this new tab is open. Inside this open in this add file. Let's first name user first name is a copy, same name is a copy. Inside this paste here. This paste. This available first name, last name, email. Let's as it is good. Email, mobile number is a set. Mobile is available. This mobile profile is available. This successfully set. This two is not show but good. Let's click this inside this $data get record is equal to this model copy same model, and this $data is a pass. This data pass save file. Inside this new function create this model inside the $request, and new function create copy same name is a copy, otherwise this function is a copy. User model is open user model inside this user model, and this function find but not available. Let's new function create this function name static available public function, and this paste here same name is a paste, copy and paste inside this available request, otherwise this same is a copy, this same is a copy inside this paste. Successfully paste $new variable create $return is equal to self select, and this table name is a user table name is this user means available. This 0 means user is available, 1 means admin, 2 means vendor. Let's 0 this get inside this available this user table dot in this add order by ID dot this ID inside this copy this name where descending order, where only data is a get, only user data get, not a admin, not a vendor, only get user data. Let's click this user. Inside this available is admin. Click this structure, and this only show this data only. 0 means user is admin dot 0 means 0 is a get, not a multiple. Where again, where only data is a get, only is not delete, means 0 is a show, is delete. User, this user means table name, database means table name, and this 0 is a set, and close this. New variable, create the same variable name, copy and paste is equal to again copy and paste paginate 20, only which record is a show, otherwise not show. Next record, let's return $return and save file. Successfully set. Let's copy this name. List file is open. Inside this forest loop is started. For less loop started. For less paste here. The same name is a paste. This copy, same name is copy, and this data is a pass. As $value inside this empty forest, empty, and this add. This add. This successfully add. Record not found inside this automatically show. Let's tr inside td. First of all, first name is a $value. This all variable create this $value. Same is a copy, and this first name is a id, this account id. Second is a last name, same is a copy, name. Let's database open, first name and last name. This first name, only name is first name. This last name, and copy, same is a copy, and paste this email, this mobile number. Last is a mobile number is a set, this mobile number. And this again, this profile picture, this vendor inside this available vendor list file is a vendor inside this available profile. The same is a copy and paste here this profile, not a sense, only single profile. This good. Action is a blank, this td, this is a edit, and delete is a pending, save file, this static value. Let's refresh this page. Successfully this available, and this 00 means available, this only 3 record is available, 03. Let's click this browse. Inside this only available 3 record is a 0. Let's check this 0 first, 2 and 3 record is a 0 is available inside this show, this 0 3 record is a show. Let's inside this new search bar is a add, this record is a search inside this show automatically. Let's show this search bar is a add. Same is available inside this same. Let's copy same name is a copy, file open, vendor inside this list file is open, and paste here only this name, sense user list, admin user list inside this user admin list, this email id, last name, first name, and this all successfully shared. Let's refresh this page. Successfully available this id, first name, last name, email, and mobile. Successfully this all search. Good. Let's refresh this page. Let's implement this search line. Open this model, user model. This inside this search start and search end, and this same is a copy and paste here, not a different same is a copy and paste. This different only, this different only, this different only, this 0 inside this only 2, this different 0 and 2, not the other different. Let's refresh this page. Let's add this add inside this 98989 add search. This is a record is not a found. Let's add correct data in this search. Successfully search. Good. This 15 is a show. Click this reset and this available user. Let's user search. Successfully set this user. Good working. This first name all is a search is a good. Let's click this mobile number, copy and paste here mobile number and search, and this only last name is a search. Good. This search last name. Successfully set. Inside this user list, this user open lost of this available. This code is a lost of only single line is a set. This is a lost of is available. This is not good. Let's open this model. This model open. Inside this common function is a create. Let's common function is a create. Let's common function is a implement. Let's step by step. First of all, public function get image. This common function is a add. If otherwise this same name is a copy, this name is a copy. If file exists profile user, this same is a copy and paste here. Inside this paste is empty. Inside this add and is empty $this profile, same is a profile, and this inside this $this copy and paste, and this remove only single dollar is a add. This empty else this add. Return is a blank, not a path. Inside this return URL is a add. This same is a URL, copy and paste here. This paste and close this. Successfully common function is a create. This profile is a common function. Let's copy this name inside this open. Let's remove this, all remove this, remove and $value and paste here this common function. Let's remove this not use, this not use, this not use, and this not use. All this single line is a error. Let's show refresh this page. Refresh this page. Single common function is a implement. Syntax error. If syntax error, let's if this remove, if is a remove and refresh this page. Successfully good working, but this image is not a show. Let's inside this one query is a implement this if is empty $, profile image, profile and if save file and refresh this page. Successfully, this not available, only 2 images are available. Good, working. Let's create this new user. Submit data. Fill up this data, email account, this any mobile number, and this address is a ad. This business name is a toy. Business name, image is a ad. This cartoon is a ad, and submit. Submit. In this toy is a available business category name. Successfully registration. In this logout, good. Let's admin gmail.com login. This click this user request list. Inside this available. This new user toy is a successfully registration. Fine. This is a good. This registration is a good. Working. This list file and this available. Registration. Successfully this login. Successfully login, good. Please writing this code, good, working. This function is a create. Inside this model, please writing this model. This step by step writing this code and this list file. Let's start this user list file is a create. Inside this coding, all successfully set. Good. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.